Hey there, I'm Dr. Angie. I'm a holistic veterinarian in Boulder, Colorado, and today I want to talk to you about cystitis in kitties. Now, if you're watching this video, your cat might have been diagnosed with idiopathic cystitis, feline idiopathic cystitis, flooded or feline lower urinary tract disease. We've had 10 million names for it. And the reason why we've had 10 million names for it is because we actually don't know why this happens. We understand a little bit about it, but not really enough. We call it idiopathic because we don't know the cause. So what happens is your cat's bladder gets really inflamed and they feel like they have to pee all the time, and so they'll pee outside their little litter box, and it'll just be like little drops here and there. They're not trying to be jerks. They just literally feel like they have to pee. I know a lot of my patients will like go right in front of their people and just like pee right in front of them. And I often think it's because they're trying to say like, I don't know what's wrong, but help me. They'll like maybe pee on the counter or pee on a bed. And it's really textbook when there's just like little droplets. Sometimes there's blood in it, and it's so uncomfortable. And how I treat these guys is by first changing their diet. Now, a lot of veterinarians really promote urinary diets like Hills, CD, Royal Canin, SO, like there are all these brands. Like every prescription brand has a urinary diet. And I think sometimes they might help, but what's most important, in my opinion, is that we get more moisture in. So what I first do is switch everyone over to a canned diet. If you can get your cat off kibble, that's huge. And we want to promote as much water drinking as possible. And so fountains are great, wet food's great. Sometimes you can even add some water to the wet food. Cats are notoriously terrible at hydrating themselves. They're desert animals and they just seem to really always be dehydrated. And that's the worst thing for cystitis. So we wanna get them hydrated. The second thing we want to do is when they're having an attack or an episode, because usually these repeat, first you want to make sure that your cat can actually urinate. If you have a male cat, I mean even a female cat, it's just more common in male cats, and they cannot urinate, they're straining to urinate and nothing is coming out, that is a medical emergency and they might be blocked, and that can be fatal if not treated. You want to treat that as soon as possible. Don't wait. If you suspect your cat could be blocked, just take them in. If it turns out they pee the whole way there, then you're just happy. You want to make sure you get that treated. So usually what I do is I teach my cat parents how to do sub-Q fluids. So basically that's subcutaneous fluids where you're just taking fluids, you're putting the needle right under the back of their neck, right under the skin, and you're filling them up with some saline. Now, not all cats are gonna let you do that. So if your cat isn't gonna let you do that, then they're not gonna let you do that, but your veterinarian might be able to get it done for you. But these are things you can do at home. The second thing you wanna do is control their pain. I so frequently see cats and pet parents not wanting to either take medications or they don't wanna give their cats narcotics. I often use buprenorphine. I want you to give it. I want you to help your cat that is in pain because a lot of times that will break the cycle. So fluids and pain medications usually get them through. And also we want to make sure we change the diet and we want to get them as much liquid as possible. Now, I also like to incorporate CBD, and I'll put the link below of what I use, and I use Chinese herbs, and I'll also put the link below, and I find those to be really helpful. I'll often add a joint supplement. I use like Glycoflex, that's my favorite, and I think cats really like the taste of it, but something like Cosequin works just as well, and that can help coat the bladder and decrease inflammation. I would love to hear from you. I want you to like and share this video, comment below, share a picture of your kitty that also has cystitis, and tell me what you do to help your kitty. I will see you in the next video.